How do you choose between Real-Debrid and TorBox? Here's a simple answer. Real-Debrid is usually the fastest link unlocker for supported file hosts, while TorBox is more of a cloud downloading plus storage style setup. Use whichever matches how you usually watch or download. Quick note, use these tools only for content you have the rights to access. Real-Debrid, in one sentence, is a Debrid style service that can generate unrestricted, faster download stream links from supported hosters, and it also supports torrent style transfers through their system. Why people pick Real-Debrid? It's a plug and play once you connect it to whatever app or workflow you use. It's usually quick and is focused on getting you high-speed links without you managing a bunch of files yourself. TorBox, in one sentence, it's a cloud-based downloader that focuses on grabbing files on their servers instead of your device doing the heavy lifting, typically with options for managing, caching, and playing back from the cloud depending on your plan. Why people pick TorBox? If you keep things organized in one place, and it could reduce peer-to-peer exposure from your device since the downloading happens in the cloud, then you access the result like a normal stream download. So which is better? Ask yourself two questions. Do I want the quickest, simplest setup for supported hoster links? If yes, Real-Debrid is usually the move. Do I want a cloud locker feel where files can be fetched and managed in one place? If yes, TorBox makes sense. Two quick tips before you pay. Check the supported host list for Real-Debrid and check your most used apps and devices, plus plan limits for TorBox so you don't buy the wrong tier. If you want, comment what device or app you use and whether you care more about speed or cloud storage, and I'll tell you whether one fits better. Thank you for watching.